Shannon. Say thank you, Santa, for my presents. No, you're gonna break. Shannon. You say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
Thank you for my presents.
Presents. Oh, Fred.
Can you blow Santa kisses? Can you look at Mommy and say cheese?
Cheese.
Can you say, hi, Grandma?
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Papa.
Hi, Megan.
Hey, Megan.
Hi, Uncle Caleb.
Hi,
Get it?
Hi, Caleb.
Hi, Caleb.
Hi, Tracy.
Hi, Stacy.
Hi, Emily.
Hi, Emily.
Hi, Steve.
Hi, Steve.
Hi, Great-Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, Aunt Becky. Shannon. Can you say hi, Becky?
Hi, Becky.
Hi, Gary.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, Melissa. Say hi, Lissa.
Hi, Lisa.
Hi, Jennifer.
Lisa.
Say I love you.
Love you.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Say Merry Christmas, everybody.
Ready.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.